IBM proudly introduces a bright little addition to the family. Name, PC Junior. Weight, 12 pounds. Small but powerful. PC Junior. Designed by IBM to make computing easy for everyone. PC Junior comes with bright ideas, like a keyboard that doesn't need a cord. It's called the Freeboard. There are picture instructions to help you get started and special overlays to help you find the right keys. You can get easy-to-use software like a word processing program. And more surprises. Games and graphics your kids won't believe, plus a starting price you won't believe.